Hey there, fine people. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to unwrap a package from Northern Self-Care and Gifts, Northern Nail Polish. They are based out of Traverse City, Michigan, and I love to be able to support local businesses. I'm pretty close to Traverse City. I especially love to support any Michigan businesses, and if they're super close to me, even better. So let's see. Let's see what I've got. Quarterly self-care box advertisement, and a little flyer, handmade in Northern Michigan. Their website, northernnailpolish.com. Business card. It's got a nice little shimmer on it. And a note. Thank you so much, Tanya. That's her name. Casey is what it says here, but maybe that's just XO. Let's see what we've got. Thank you for supporting our small business. I think I ordered enough to get free shipping. Let's see. Free shipping and free polish of the month is what was included. So somewhere in here is something that is a surprise. Okay, what do we got first? This one unwrapped itself. Tunnel of Trees, I think this is. Oh, no. Happy So Lucky. This must be the polish of the month. Look, oh, look, it's got, can you see that? It's got shamrocks in there. So much holographic glitter. Green polish is my favorite polish. Next, I've got, oh, this is Tunnel of Trees. Look, I love a shimmer like this where it shifts green or aqua. I'm going to do a swatch, so I'm not going to, I shouldn't open these right now. This one is what prompted me to place the order. Can you see that sparkle in there? This is called Euperlite. These are, Euperlites are rocks found up on the shores of Lake Superior, I believe. And they glow when you shine a black light on them. They glow orange in a black light. And look at that, it's got super cool orange glitter. cozy vibes. This is like a warm red or a rust with holographic glitter. This is Petoskey stone. It represents the color pretty well of Petoskey stones. Oh, I said I wasn't going to do that. And this is Up North. Green with a green and golden shimmer in there. All right, let's see. So I've got 6 polishes. Happy So Lucky is the freebie. I think I should shake this up a little bit. This appears to be in a clear base, so a bunch of green holographic glitter in a clear base. I thought I saw shamrocks in there. Might have to fish for them. One coat. It's a great topper, I think. I'll do 2 coats and see if I can't get a shamrock out of there. Yeah, there's shamrocks. Perfect for St. Patty's Day. Tunnel of trees. Look at this deep coral. The Tunnel of Trees is a drive along the coast of northern Michigan, along the coast of Lake Michigan, and it's especially beautiful in the fall with all the changing colors. And this nail polish was inspired by that. It's a multi-chrome nail polish that shifts between red, green, and brown hues, mimicking the colors seen in the Tunnel of Trees during autumn. Here's the second coat. Of course, I'm seeing the orangey red, but the green is really strongly visible in just this indoor light. And here's the finished with a glossy top coat. Just look at that shift. Love it. Can't get enough of polishes like this. Yeah, look at that. So shifty. And I don't know how I did this, but I forgot to take still pictures of Tunnel of Trees. Next is Uperlite, and this is inspired by these stones that are found in the UP of northern Michigan that glow under black light. And unfortunately, I didn't know this when I was recording this video, but the orange glitter is UV reactive. The entire thing glows in the dark, but under black light, the orange glitter would pop, just like the stones do. And this is described as, let's see, eye-catching gunmetal gray nail polish inspired by the UV blacklight reactive stones found in Michigan's Upper Peninsula. The orange glitters add a pop of color and dimension to the already striking textured gray base. The gray base is very reflective, really, and the silvery kind of shimmer in there is pretty awesome. Here it is glowing in the dark. Next up is Petoskey stone, and Petoskey stones are our state stone. They are fossilized coral. This polish is described as a shimmering grade top with a metallic holographic sheen. I am not seeing anything holographic, but it is indoors and it is dark out, so. And I wouldn't say that the pictures online showed any holographic characteristics either. Now, I'm not telling polish makers how to do their job, but I really think that this could have benefited from some matte hexagon glitters to more fully represent the Petoskey stone. That said, it's gorgeous. Love it. Can't wait to wear it. Here is Cozy Vibes. This is described as capturing the essence of crisp leaves and crackling fires. There's no other description of the components, so I will do my best. This is a clear base packed with coppery micro glitter flakes and green, gold, orange, and red glitter, holographic glitter in various shapes and sizes. I probably could have used a matching base coat with this, or maybe added a third coat. It is stunning in any case. It truly looks like fall on my nails, and I cannot wait for fall to roll around so I can wear it in season, although I am not hugely seasonally driven by my polish choices. And here are the still shots. This is Up North, and it is a shimmering olive green nail polish with gold highlights that show up in different angles. This is a little bit patchy on the first coat. I think that I could have actually used 3 coats instead of 2. Pictures on the website, for the most part, actually match what I got here painting my nails, except for one photo that makes it look like there might be some holographic shimmer in there, which I did not get. This is a gorgeous deep green shimmery polish. I would say more of a forest green than an olive green. Either way, I love it. Okay, here are a couple of examples of Petoskey stones. This one's pretty light. This one's a little darker, and nothing much to see on the back side of these ones. Some other fossils. I don't have any Uber lights as far as I know. Okay, so of these, Uber Light is definitely my favorite. I probably need to shake it up a little bit more to get some more orange glitter. This glows in the dark. The whole base does, not the end of it, the glitter. Petoskey stone, I think, could benefit from some hexagonal glitters, but it's still a beautiful shimmery shade. Tunnel of Trees. This is also a favorite. I love orange and green are my two favorite colors, and if a polish combines them, I'm into it. Happy So Lucky. This is the freebie. Gonna have to fish for those shamrocks, but nice glitter topper. Also, these without the shamrocks, this is a really great green for Christmas. Cozy Vibes. This just screams maple trees and fall to me. I love it. And Up North, beautiful murky green with a subtle shimmer. Warm fall colors are my favorites. How do you feel about warm colors versus fall colors? Cool versus warm? Pastel versus deep? I'm a deep, warm color person. And I've done this like 3 times because I'm an idiot. Here's some Petoskey stones. You can see the hexagons in there, and that's why I say I think the Petoskey stone polish should have some hexagon glitters. What do you think? Anyway, today's Sunday, and I'm going to go enjoy the day. It's my husband's birthday tomorrow, and I think we're going to Traverse City, where this polish was made, and we're going to have some sushi for lunch. And, oh, I was going to, in case this didn't come through earlier, this is Color Club Carrot Cake, and this is the Tunnel of Trees. So I think Tunnel of Trees is definitely prettier, or not prettier. I like it more, that's all. This one's gorgeous too, though. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day.